Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu and welcome to my channel The English Planet. So today in this video we're going to learn the word apologize. So as it is a verb, so it has three different forms. So the first form is apologize, second form is apologized, and third form is also apologized. If I talk about the pronunciation, so it is pronounced same in British and American both, but yes, there is a little bit of difference in spelling. So in British they use S and American they use Z. Now let's look at the meaning. So the meaning is to say sorry and also to show or express regret because you offended someone or you did something wrong. Now if we talk about the structure, so it is apologize to someone for doing something wrong. And don't forget to add ing if you are using a verb. Now let's try to understand it better with the help of some examples. So the first sentence is, I apologized to Emily for coming late. Yes, if somebody is waiting for you and you reached late, you should definitely apologize. Now the second sentence is, we should always apologize for our mistakes. Yes, if we ever made a mistake, then we should definitely admit it. Now let's look at the third sentence. So the third sentence is, you must apologize to your family for misbehaving. Yes, they always support us, they love us, so we should always respect them. We should never offend their feelings. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's look at the fourth sentence. So the fourth sentence is, we apologize for the inconvenience. Means they are saying sorry for all the problems you faced. I hope you understand. Now let's look at the fifth and the last sentence. So the sentence is, Ellie and Andrew are coming to apologize for their misunderstanding. So there must be some misunderstanding and they feel bad about it. So they are coming to apologize. I hope you understood how we can use apologize as a verb. Now we are going to learn how we can use apologize as a noun, as an adverb, and also as an adjective. Now let's look at the first word, which is apology. It is a noun. Now the first sentence is, this is an apology email. Means somebody wrote it to apologize to you. I hope you understand. Now the second sentence is, I want to make an apology. The simple meaning is, I want to apologize. That's it. It is more formal. Now let's look at the second word, which is apologetic, and it is an adjective. So the first sentence is, I am apologetic for forgetting your birthday. It means the person is saying sorry, he feels terrible for forgetting the birthday. I hope you understand. Now let's look at the second sentence. Second sentence is, he is not an apologetic person. It means he never says sorry, he never feels bad about his mistakes. Now let's look at the third and the last word, which is apologetically, and it is an adverb. So the first sentence is, they were standing apologetically for lying about their financial condition. So they were just lying about their financial condition and the person found out and now they feel terrible about it. So they are standing there with their heads down. They are feeling guilty about it. Now let's look at the last sentence, which is, we could not help them, so we walked away apologetically. So just imagine yourself somewhere, like there is a person and the person requires your help, the person needs your help, but you are unable to help that person. So what you have to do, you just can't do anything, so you walk away, you leave that place. So this is how we use apologize as a verb, as a noun, as an adjective, and also as an adverb. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.